what I thought was going to be a joke, obviously turned out to be nothing close to that. I can give all the explanations of why I thought it was be funny, and I think maybe in a different situation it would have been, but it wasn't for this particular situation. We need to have decorum of professionalism, and we need to be lead by example. That was something that publicly I didn't do, and I brought dishonor to this board, people who I respect, and I owe you all an apology for that. But the biggest problem was the way that I misjudged a situation, and what I thought in one direction, what did not occur. And the biggest offense I have is against Dr. Copeland. I respect, appreciate, honor this man. We've had a cordial relationship, and I took it to an extreme, and my apology is given with no equivocations, sincere. I wonder how I can proceed as a board member with so many serious things happening at this point. Not only did I interrupt the procedures from budget to discipline, which was very serious. My duties have been my credibility has been damaged, and I don't know if it can ever be repaired. But the biggest thing again is my sincere apology to Dr. Copeland, because I did insult and I did cause angst, and I'm sincerely, I'm very apologetic, very sorry. Wish it didn't happen, I wish I didn't do it, but it was me, it was only me, no one else helped. I did that, and that's pretty much what the situation is. My honor to this board and every member that has served and has served is that I will now meet the city council, and if it is their desire to have me resign, I will resign. They will not need to go to any sort of extent. I know it's a very extensive process by which to remove a school board member. I will go and I will present to each member or to the group in totality that if they want me off, I will be tendering my resignation.
Apologies from all the school board members, and we apologize to people who work with you, who had to go through the last 1 week of, for lack of word, torture. But I can assure you, hopefully, we'll put people in the seats here who will not repeat the same actions. These actions will not be tolerated by this board or this committee. We are here to set standards for our little ones, and they should be accepted throughout the school district. If any employee does that, they're done. If any board member does that, same principle applies. So I apologize to you, sir, on behalf of the school board. I hope you all agree with me on that. Sincere apologies to you, Dr. Copeland, and to the staff who has observed this in direct.